These expressions are going to contain exponents, so to find your like terms, you have to have the same variable with the same exponent. So if you just glance down here at number 12, for instance, this is k squared, but this is only k. So these two are not considered like terms. Only the k squared and the k squared are, and then the k and the k. So not only do the variables have to match, but the exponents do as well. The exponents do not change when you put them together. Only the coefficients do. So the exponents should stay exactly the same. Other than that, it's just the same. So these two, again, I'm going to do the odds and then you can try the evens. So these two already match. 5 plus 7 is 12, and then the x squared stays just like that. Number 11, all of these have c squared, c to the third power. So 8 minus 7 plus 16 would give us 17c cubed, or c to the third power. Number 13, we have a squared b. So these two do match. So negative 4 plus 10 would give me 6, and then a squared b. And then don't forget to bring down the plus 7. For number 15, we have the a squared, and that's it. So that's going to go first. And then those two match because they have an AB. So 7 minus 10 would give us negative 3AB. And then the plus B squared. Again, the order technically doesn't matter, but we usually like to start with our first letter alphabetically and then work our way back down. So go ahead and try the even ones and then come back and check. Number 10, we have negative 15 plus 4, so negative 11, n to the 5th. Here we have 8k squared minus 2k squared. That would give us 6k squared. And again, it's really helpful to cross them off. This, you need to be really careful. This is a negative 1 minus 5. That gives us negative 6k, and then plus 7. Number 14, we'll start with just x squared. These two match. 2 minus 7 would give us negative, so minus 5xy, and then plus 4y squared. And our last one, we have 4 minus 3, so 1x squared. We do not need to write the 1. 2 plus 8 would give us plus 10x. And then negative 7 minus 6 would be minus 13. For geometry ones, we are going to have a shape, and they ask us to find the perimeter. So that means we add all sides. So the perimeter is the distance around a shape. So to figure that out, you just add all the sides together. It is up to you if you want to rewrite it. I will, just so you can see it, but you don't have to. So I would have 2x plus 1 plus 3x plus x. And again, the order that you put that in doesn't matter. So I have 2 plus 3 plus, again, that invisible 1 gives us 6x, and then plus 1. For number 18, 17 minus a plus 5a minus 1 plus 4ab. So put the a's together first. Negative 1 plus 5 would be 4a. Then I'm going to put the plus 4ab. And then 17 minus 1 would give us plus 16. Now, this one will catch us off guard because they only have 2 Here, you have to remember that with rectangles, opposite sides are the same. So we need to fill in 3y minus 5 and y plus 2. I'm going to show you real quick how for these, it's kind of easy just to go right around 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you don't want to write it out, just go right along and see that we have 8y. Here's again, you have to be careful. Negative 5 and negative 5 is negative 10 plus 2 more would give us negative 6. So 8y minus 6. Again, if it's helpful to write it out like I did those first two, you absolutely can do that anytime. So for this one, 2 and then 1 and 1 and 1. So we would have 5k squared. This one doesn't have a k. This has 1 and then a minus 9 and a plus 1 again. So 1 minus 9 plus 1 would give us negative 7k. Then we have 23 minus 17. That would give us positive 6, so plus 6. So just remember when it asks to find the perimeter, that just means add all of them together.